Welcome back to Agentic AI, the future of intelligent systems. In today's episode, we explore a fundamental question. What does it mean to trust an AI agent? Not just technically, but operationally, ethically, and continuously. As AI systems grow more autonomous, embedded, and decision capable, the expectations placed on them shift. We're no longer validating a fixed piece of software. We're evaluating a dynamic system that learns, adapts, and makes decisions based on context. And that changes everything. Certifying an agent is less like testing an API and more like evaluating a living system capable of context switching, collaborative behavior, tool orchestration, and long horizon reasoning. Traditional test suites fall short. Snapshots of correctness no longer guarantee reliability. What we need now is an evolved certification paradigm, one designed for persistent, evolving, and collaborative AI systems. The certification of agentic AI begins with understanding its operational boundaries. It's not enough to check if an agent returns the right answer. We have to ask, how does it reason? How does it delegate? Does it know when not to act? Can it self correct? And under what conditions does its behavior start to drift? Instead of relying solely on unit tests, we shift toward behavioral baselining. This means observing the agent across simulated environments, pressure scenarios, and edge cases. It's about capturing how it acts under stress, in ambiguous prompts, or when faced with conflicting objectives. And just like with human systems, consistency matters as much as correctness. Next comes auditability. Every agentic interaction should leave behind a trail, clear, explainable, and reviewable. Think decision logs, delegation chains, and tool invocation footprints. Not only does this enable governance and compliance, but it forms the foundation for rollback, remediation, and adaptive policy enforcement. Then there's the question of role alignment. Agents are increasingly specialized. Some manage documents, others code bases, others customer conversations. Certification, therefore, must be role bound. An agent trusted to optimize a supply chain should not automatically gain rights to analyze HR records or generate public facing content. Role based certification ensures that capabilities are scoped and misuse is minimized, not through restriction alone, but through purposeful alignment. But perhaps the most transformative layer is dynamic certification. Unlike traditional systems, agents evolve. Their tools update, their data changes, their memory grows. Certification, then, cannot be a one time event. It must be ongoing, continuously reinforced through observability, feedback, and control loops. This might look like automatic flagging when an agent's decisions deviate from its historical norm, or triggered reassessments when new tools are added or new roles are assumed. In short, we move from certification as an event to certification as a service. And beyond internal validation, we must consider federated trust. In multi agent ecosystems, agents don't work in isolation, they call each other, share tasks, pass memory, and collaborate on goals. How do we ensure that the trust earned by one agent isn't mistakenly transferred to another that hasn't been vetted? Agent cards, verifiable credentials, and trust anchors will all play a role here, acting as passports in a distributed ecosystem of autonomous actors. We're entering a phase where agents won't just be intelligent, they'll be interoperable, composable, and mobile. And with that, trust becomes portable too. The challenge isn't just certifying what an agent is, it's certifying what it can become and ensuring we're prepared when it does. Thank you for tuning in to this episode. As we navigate the future of intelligent systems, one thing remains clear: ensuring trust in agentic AI won't come from static benchmarks, but from dynamic, transparent, and continuous understanding. Stay tuned as we continue our journey through the evolving landscape of agentic AI.